Hello everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back with 10 cards, 1 kit using my last Spellbinders card kit of the month, which is called the Indoor Garden. This was the January 2023, it says right there, January 2023 card kit by Spellbinders. I unsubscribed. I think everybody knows now that not a lot of people were happy with the changes they made, but anyway, here we go. Here are the contents of it, and as you can see, they're missing stuff because that's what I used. Those were the things I used in my card. The kit had that, the gems. This it always has the the adhesives, and these are like chipboard frames, which you can use to obviously to frame stuff or to make shakers, but I don't like making shakers. To me, they take a lot of time. But I do. I've done some in the past, and I think I've uploaded them here on my channel. These are the ephemera packs, and I love the ephemera this time. So if you've been watching me in the past few years, I love ephemera, so that's why that was the real come on for me with the Spellbinders card kits, or the ephemera, the papers. Although these are not cardstock grade, they're thicker than copy paper, but if your card base is substantial enough, it doesn't really matter if everything you layer on top of the card base. To me, it doesn't really matter how thin the things that you put on your card base, as long as your card base is sturdy enough. So that's why I love their papers. They give you a lot, used to, but now you just get one of each. You used to get 2 of each. And then this is the chipboard stickers, and I've used a ton from there. And then these are the card fronts anyway, and then you'll see that I used these are just cutouts from this die. I have friends that I do have trypophobia too but yeah, when I showed this to my other set of friends, they said, ew, trypophobia, and then I realized, yeah, it is. Now I can't stand looking at it too. I'm sorry if I caused you to have trypophobia just right now, forgive me. But let's get on with it. These are the cards that I made that I'm about to show you. That's the first one. Ephemera, ephemera, ephemera. Did I show you these stickers? These are puffy stickers. So that's the one I used there, and those are the cutouts from that cover plate die by Hero Arts. So I just layered a bunch of papers. That's paper from the ephemera, and whenever I make things, I try to color coordinate. So for example, this one picks that color up, this one picks that color up, and then this is just like, it's sun rays. Yeah, so, and to me these were like sun rays too. So I just make up things in my mind, and they come out as cards, right? Okay, and then this one, again, there's really, on the card faces that they gave, there's really nothing that coordinates. None of the colors coordinate with any of the ephemera colors or with the paper. So I ended up using my own papers. So that's from Michaels. This pink right here is from Michaels. I just cut it to be the size of the card base. They do still give card bases, but they only give you 8. I am doing a voice over here because I'm about to say something not so nice. So what I was saying was that they now only give you 8 card bases when they used to give 10 card bases before, because people that did cards using the kits always did 10 cards 1 kit. It's not 8 cards 1 kit, it's 10 cards 1 kit. Here's another puffy sticker, the gems. And then just, is this chip? Oh, this is chipboard. And then this is ephemera. And this is chipboard also. And these two are just, they're like rainbows. That there's 2 pieces. But I just didn't see myself using rainbow in any of my compositions here. So I made them, put them together, and then made a rug. So just to tie things together. And then here's another one. This is just me collaging. Oh, is this the one? Wait. Oh, I did use one of the card fronts, the light blue one. And I think I was trying to pick up that blue color right there. And then I just picked things together that made sense. You know, she's like having a me time day and she's telling herself you're loved. And then she gave herself a gift. She read a book. She had coffee. She went out and took photographs. And like I'm telling you, I make things up in my mind and they come out as cards. So I hope you're liking them. And then this is very plant-based. This card is, because it's called In Their Garden. So there were a lot of ephemeras and some of the sentiments that are plant-related. So these are just two papers from the collection, and I put them together because I'm trying to pick up the orange from here, and so I picked this one to partner with this paper. And then I just used the gems. I used Home is Where You Plant It, and then this is just ephemera that I popped up. Yeah, it's not chipboard. So there that is. And then here's another one. I chose the green because I wanted a green background because everything is plants in here. I have a few friends who love plants. So this is probably going to go to them. See, because it says proud plant parent. And I can't parent. I'm a good parent. I'm a very good parent. But I can't parent plants. I just kill them. I don't know what it is. And then here's another one. I love the combination of these two. For some reason it works. And so, yeah. And these are just all ephemera that I put together. And then that's also ephemera. And I think it works. I think it's cute. Hang on. Okay, yeah. And then here's another one that's going to go to one of my plant mom friends. I love these. Especially this one. I love that. And these are all, again, ephemera. And this one I popped up just so they're not all flat. And some of the ephemeras are gold foiled. And this is, what is this one? Oh, it's a chipboard sticker. It's not puffy sticker. And then this one, I just reversed that. So, like this. I just reversed the arrangement on this one. So this tile looking one is on the top and this wood floor is on here because it's wood. And this looked like wall. So, and then this is ephemera, this is ephemera, this one's ephemera. All of them are ephemera. And I think it's cute. It's like, looking at this, it's like Zen to me. You just sit there, you read a book or you watch YouTube videos, which I do when I try to relax, and there that is. And then here's another one. I used this and then I used pink, and oh, there's stitching there. Sorry, I think I made this 2 weeks ago, so I've forgotten what I've used, but I used hang on, let me find it. Un momento. I used this. I got the idea from Anna White here on YouTube, and that's what that stitching is. And then I just layered a bunch of houses. These are ephemera. These ones are chipboard, and I just tried to mimic a neighborhood. And that's it. Enjoy today. Enjoy your time at home. Something like that. And then I used this. Excuse me, sorry. My throat's getting dry. I used this because it's like a forest, you know, background. I'm telling you, I make things up in my mind. And then here's another one. I love this one too. It's the same look as this other one, but this one's more masculine. Well, no, not really. I just love this. I love little prints. And so I really loved that paper and just slapped a bunch of things on there, and then I think it's cute. So I think that's it, guys. And I'm sad that this is my last Spellbinders card kit, unless they come up with better ideas, or unless there's something I really like, because I'm still subscribed to their YouTube channel. Maybe I'll buy that, but right now it's just not very appealing to me. Anyway, I don't know if this video is gonna be for one of the challenges. the challenge that I'm participating in, which is use your stash or shop your stash. If so, you will see it in one of the 4 Sundays of any month that I feel like uploading it, or I can just upload it today. I'm not sure, but I'm trying to pre-film because I know I'm going to be busy in the coming months, busier than usual. And so I'm trying to pre-film things. So I'll use hashtags so that you can participate, and information will be in the description box. Also, please always check the description box if you have time for the channels of the people that I love here on YouTube. My good friends, Helen, Cheryl, and Alma. Their channels will be below. This might also be for Satmornmakes, which I really am not sure. Like I said, I'm pre-filming. If so, I will use the proper hashtag and put the right channels. Like for example, if it's a Satmornmakes video, then I'll put Jill's channel in the description box. Jill is Jillian Norwood, and she's the one that started the Satmornmakes movement. I call it a movement because it's like a movement for women to try to give time for themselves and enjoy what they love to do, which for me is paper crafting. Some can crochet, some can, do mixed media in that hashtag. By the way, the use your stash, shop your stash challenge was started by Helen and Alma, I think. The 2 of them, or maybe the 3 of them, Helen, Alma, and Cheryl, and I'm just participating when I can. Anyway, I'm at 12 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks for liking and subscribing and commenting. Until next time, thank you guys.